Vitamin A definition. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for human health. It refers to a group of chemically related compounds, primarily including retinol, retinol, retinoic acid, and retinol esters, as well as certain plant-derived carotenoids, like beta-carotene, that the body can convert into active vitamin A. Key functions. Supports normal vision, especially in low light. Maintains healthy skin and mucous membranes. Plays a crucial role in immune system function. Supports growth, development, and reproduction. Aids in the maintenance and function of the heart, lungs, kidneys, and other organs. Dietary sources. Vitamin A exists in two main forms in the diet. Preformed vitamin A, found in animal products such as liver, fish, dairy, and eggs, as retinol and retinol esters. Provitamin A carotenoids, found in plant-based foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for several important bodily functions. It plays a crucial role in vision, especially night vision, by supporting the function of the retina. Immune system support, helping the body fight off infections. Cell growth and differentiation, which is important for organ and tissue health. Skin and mucous membrane maintenance, keeping them healthy and functional. Reproduction and fetal development. Vitamin A exists in two primary forms. Preformed vitamin A, retinol and retinol esters, found in animal products like liver, fish, dairy, and eggs. Provitamin A carotenoids, like beta-carotene, found in plant-based foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, which the body converts into active vitamin A. Would you like to know how much vitamin A is recommended daily or its deficiency symptoms? What is vitamin A? Vitamin A is a group of organic compounds that includes retinol, retinol, retinoic acid, and several provitamin A carotenoids, the most common being beta-carotene. It is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it is stored in the liver and absorbed with dietary fats. Functions of vitamin A. Eye health and vision. Maintains normal vision. Critical for low light, night, vision by forming rhodopsin in the retina. Immune function. Strengthens the immune system by maintaining healthy mucous membranes and skin, which act as barriers to infection. Cell growth and development. Supports proper cell division and differentiation. Important for organ development and maintenance. Skin and tissue repair. Encourages healthy skin and healing. Used in some treatments for acne and skin conditions. Reproduction and fetal development. Vital for embryonic growth during pregnancy. Sources of vitamin A. Animal-based, preformed vitamin A, retinol. Liver, very high amounts. Fish liver oils, like cod liver oil. Eggs. Dairy products, milk, cheese, butter. Plant-based, provitamin A, beta-carotene. Carrots. Sweet potatoes. Pumpkin. Spinach. Kale. Mangoes. Red and orange bell peppers. Vitamin A deficiency symptoms. Night blindness, early sign. Dry eyes, xerophthalmia. Increased risk of infections. Skin issues, dry, rough skin.